How to add contact on Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, in order to add contact on Messenger, first of all, make sure you have an updated version of the Messenger application on your device, for which launch the Play Store and then search for Messenger. As you do that, you'll be able to see that there's no option of update over here beside the Messenger application, which means we have the latest version of the application on our device. So just tap on open and it will land us to the Messenger application on our device. So what you simply need to do is just tap on the search bar at the top and search for a person that you'd like to get in contact with. So I'm going to just make a random name over here, and here you'll be able to see there are different options. Now, if you find the person that you'd want to send a message, you just have a tap on their profile and then you can just send a message over here. And there you go, that's how you'll be able to add contact on Messenger home screen. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.